I want to see the volcano.
What's the volcano?
You move the onions on top of each other.
No, he ain't no volcano. He cut it up.
Yeah.
That's beautiful though.
Yeah.
Ask him if you gotta cook, because you can't cook.
Alright, are you ready for volcano?
Oh yeah, I'm ready for volcano.
See, I told you. You just a hater.
Okay.
Hey, Mark, you need to lock in.
Yeah, lock in. The volcano coming, man.
Yeah, this is what I came here for.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Oil and gasoline. Ready?
Ready. Woo! Oh yeah.
Nah, that shit was dope.